Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to find the privacy on policy or privacy policy on a CapCut application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your CapCut application on your phone and wait until the CapCut is open, and after that you just need to make sure that you are stay in the edit section. If you can see down here, there will be like 4 sections on the CapCut, but then to visit or to know about the privacy policy of the CapCut, you need to stay in edit. Whenever you are stay in edit, you can take a look on the right top corner here. There will be 2 options, and to visit the privacy policy, go click the settings button, the right button, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this privacy and policy right here, and then just click it, and the CapCut will show their privacy policy to your screen, and you just need to read and make sure that you understand everything about the privacy policy of the CapCut. So that's the way how to open the privacy policy of the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.